Or maybe you have social media, a blog, a YouTube channel you like to promote this affiliate market, this affiliate program. And yes, if that's your question, or you're wondering whether or not there is it available, or you have the option to join sudowrite the affiliate program, the answer is yes. Yes, you can do it. What you have to do, if you scroll all the way down, here you should see connect, affiliates, email us, Twitter, and just click on affiliates. And now we just have to wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see here, sudowrite affiliate program. Promote the premium AI creative writing tool and help your audience beat a writer's block, finish faster, and tell better stories. What you'll earn 25% of all subscription fees for the first year. And how much is that? So with just 30 signups, 250 a month. With 150 sign up, 1,000 a month, 2,000 a month with 300 signups. So here you can also see how the affiliate programs work. Sign up, and we give you a unique link that tracks who clicks and sign-ups. Share your link, use it whenever you refer to sudowrite on your website, podcast, emails, social media, and or everywhere else. Earn commission will pay you 25% for every subscriber you send us every month for a month, every month for a year, as long as they remain a subscriber in good standing. Who we're looking for: bloggers, writers, YouTubers, podcasters, educators, media networks, newsletters, writers, entrepreneurs, social media influence. In other words, our mission is to get the highest quality creative writing tool using the most advanced AI into the hands of everyone who writes. Sign up and start earning. Visual assets you can use. So here, make sure you read terms and conditions. And if you have any question, you can email. You can send them an email. And here, now I will copy this one. And here, now let's click on this, sign up. And here what you have to do is to enter your email. So enter your email, and once you enter your email, here you have to enter your first name, last name, location, select country, what's the primary place where you will promote sudowrite. So here please enter your website, your YouTube channel, your social media, your Facebook, your TikTok, and how do you plan to promote sudowrite. Let's say I have a YouTube channel, and here I will write, I'm gonna talk about sudowrite features. I'm gonna compare sudowrite with other AI tools. I'm gonna show people how to use, so basically I'll create a tutorial for sudowrite. So that's what I would write in this box here. That's how would I answer this question. So yeah, that's how I would answer this question. Now tell us about your affiliate experience. Have you been an affiliate for other products? And here you can explain if you worked before with other affiliates, the other programs, and what's your primary audience. And here you have, make sure you read terms and condition, and then you have to check these boxes, but before doing so, make sure you read terms and conditions. All right, and here now terms and conditions, just have to wait. And here you are not allowed terms and conditions. Self-referrals are not allowed. Abuse, gaming, or other attempt to mislead will result in your account being permanently banned. Posting referred links to coupon sharing websites is not allowed. Make sure you read this entire page. No search engine ads. In some cases, we give credit to an affiliate even if the customer didn't sign up through an affiliate link or coupon code. If you have a case like this, please contact us and we'll do our best to help. No Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok ads that link to our website or anything similar that would compete with our own paid and drive up our cost and potentially cause confusion. No pretending to be active or on behalf of us. As an employee example, do not email purchase lists or people who have not opted in to be contacted. Do not send direct messages to people on social media promoting sudowrite without the person's consent. We reserve the right to change the terms and conditions for our affiliates program at any time. We reserve the right to determine your affiliate account for violating any of these rules at our sole discretion. Commissions generated by merchants that are in violation of our terms and conditions should not be paid or owned. Commissions payment. Sudowrite commissions are paid monthly, usually in the first week. For paying customers in good standing for 60 days or longer. For the first 12 months of customer subscription payments, or until the customer cancels or pauses membership, whichever comes first. Via payment. In order to receive payment, you must provide a valid payment email address. The most case recent refer period to sell in cases where more than one affiliate send us a given visitor when the total amount owning is equal to or greater than $100. And now here we just have to enter verification code and send application. So that's how you sign up for sudowrite affiliate program. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.